What do you do when you have to feed a family and you're short on money and payday is a long way away? Today I'm going to show you how to put together a meal for $2.07 a person. These are my ingredients, but you can substitute your own ingredients and you can come out cheaper or you can come out a little more expensive. It just depends what you want to do. This meal is great because you can vary it up. You can have different items and everybody can have their own choice of what they want to eat. Individual meals, it's simple, it's no cut, it's no prep, and you'll enjoy this. You'll use this over and over again. It's a great technique that's been used for years. It hasn't been seen for a while. Stay tuned. Here we go. All right, we've already sprayed the aluminum foil with cooking spray. You want to keep the shiny side inside so it doesn't reflect the heat, and the dull side always goes outside. All right, here we go. We're going to start off with one chicken leg, 45 cents. We bought these on sale for $6.95 a pound for a 10-pound bag. We're going to add next a Georgia sausage. These are going to be 57 cents a piece. Add 3 potatoes. Potato and a half right here. Leave the skin on, leave the peel there. Potatoes are 25 cents for all 3 potatoes. And then we're going to add a plate of mixed vegetables, which are going to be 20 cents. Plate of mixed vegetables, which are going to be 60 cents. We're going to add a green pepper. We're going to add some frozen squash. We're going to add some tofu, a little different there. A mushroom and a half. We're going to put some black-eyed peas and some corn in here also. Pretty healthy meal. Stack all these up. Black-eyed peas are frozen. The corn was also frozen. If you get a chance on this, good time to use your leftovers. Now we're going to fold this thing. Oh, I almost forgot. 2 garlic cloves. A little bit of seasoning salt. A little bit of garlic salt. Little cracked pepper. And now we're going to fold it up. Fold the inside like this. You want to get a good tight seal. Outside there, come on over like this, so, and then you want to fold it up all together like that. Crimp the edges, make sure nothing gets out. And you're ready to throw this into the oven. We'll make another one. When they're done, we'll come back and show you what it looks like. Put it in the oven, 350 degrees, preheated oven, for about an hour. Let's open it up, see what we got. I can't wait, I'm so excited. This was inspired by someone in a group of mine who says she has 3 6-foot men she needs to feed, and she needs something hearty. Well, this was $2.07 a piece, and look at all this food. Have chicken, have the Georgia sausage, potatoes are done. There's some black-eyed peas in there, some squash, even my little jalapeno, my habanero, even some tofu. And look at all the juice. This is going to be delicious. Now you can take this thing, if you want to stretch it further, you can put it over pasta, you can put it over rice, you can mix some more potatoes with it, you can mix some more vegetables in there. You can combine it with a salad, you can also put bread. But anyway, $2.07. That's amazing. I cannot wait to taste this thing. I'll be back with a plate and we're going to see how it is. Stand by. All right, look at this. Even with a torn up house, as you can see, you've seen the kitchen, you've seen everything else, we're still able to make a good, healthy meal without breaking the bank. I can't wait to get in this thing. We're going to give it a try. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. Let me set this little camera up here and let's see how it goes. Gonna use a big knife. Look how tender and juicy this looks. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Here we go. That's very good. Tender and juicy. I hope you try this. If you do, let me know how it goes for you. Let me know what you did. We'll see you next time. Bye.